How to check credit score on BMO app. To check your credit score on the BMO app, follow these steps. Launch the BMO mobile banking app on your mobile device. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Tap the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the first option, labeled Profile and Settings. From the list of options, choose My Credit Score. You will now see your credit score and a summary of your credit information. Explore additional features, such as score history or the score simulator. While viewing your credit score, scroll to the top of the page. Tap the three horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner. Select the option for Credit Report. View detailed information, including your credit report period, score balances, payment history, open and closed accounts, and credit inquiries. Thanks for watching.